Hey guys, Coach Faith here. Welcome to Tech Night's first vlog series entitled Concept Connections, or simply, we will call it ConCon. Here, we will teach you basic science concepts which you can surely use in learning robotics. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with this question. How can we know that an object is moving fast or slow? Well, for our very first episode, we will introduce to you a very common terminology in physics, specifically in kinematics, and that is speed. When we talk about kinematics, it simply just answers how an object moves, and speed is one of the basic physical quantities that can answer this. Well, in order to know the speed, there are two things that we need to consider: distance and time. Distance here is the complete path traveled by an object in motion, and time is the time it takes to travel that distance. Now, we define speed as a measurement of how far an object will travel over a given period of time, or simply, speed is the rate of distance and time. Let's consider these two robots, Robot A and Robot B. Which one will travel faster, considering that they will travel with the same distance? Let's see. With our intuition, we can say that Robot A is moving faster than Robot B. But how can we know the value of their speed? In 15 meters, Robot A traveled in 3 seconds while Robot B traveled in 10 seconds. Going back to the definition of speed, we just have to divide these values. Is this the final answer? I don't think so, because a mere number cannot be a physical quantity without a unit. Since we used meters for our distance, and seconds for our time, meters per second is now our unit. Here, the speed of Robot A is 3 meters per second, while Robot B is 1.5 meters per second. We can confirm that Robot A really traveled faster than Robot B. Commonly, we use meters per second, kilometers per hour, and miles per hour for its units. But in robotics, RPM or revolutions per minute is commonly used. For example, this robot wheel here is a 200mm wheel, meaning each revolution of this will cover a 200mm distance. The more revolution this wheel will do in a minute, the greater the output speed. You can also see the terms speed and RPM in the robot brain. Go to Programs, click Settings, and then click Device Info. Here, you can check if your wheels are properly working. Positive RPM means that your wheels are moving forward, and negative RPM means your wheels are moving backwards. And that's it! I hope you guys learned today. This is Tech Night's Robotics, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!